Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Always here. I'm pretty excited about today. I'll be unboxing the all new 2018 2.9 GHz 6-core i9 32GB 512 SSD 8th generation MacBook Pro. There's so much to say. Let's just go straight into the unboxing.
Ah, the beat. Let's open the box and see what's inside. And here is the 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's pretty light. Let's just put it to one side for now and look at the content in the box. So we have the usual Apple T&Cs, the stickers in the booklet, a USB-C charger cable, 3-pin adapter, and an 87-watt USB-C power brick. Oh, that sounds so good. As soon as you lift the lid, the Mac powers on. It's an easy setup process just like the iPhone, but this time you're greeted with Siri.
Hey Siri, what's the rest of my day look like?
Also new to the Mac is a True Tone display. Now most video and photo editors will have this disabled for obvious reasons, but it's a good feature to have for sure. The great thing about this is that it extends to an external display like the LG 5K display. This MacBook Pro is packing some loud speakers compared to last gen, and it still has the same large smooth as butter trackpad that I love so much. With True Tone display comes a True Tone touchpad. You adjust the color to the display depending on the ambient lighting around you. For some weird ass reason, Apple has changed the option key again. The symbol is a lot longer, and unfortunately, even 2018, we're given the 720p HD camera for FaceTime. Oh, so frustrating. Where is 4K? The Apple logo still does not light up, but the silver MacBook Pro comes with reflective Apple logo, which is quite nice. This year's MacBook Pro hasn't changed in looks from the previous gen, but with the new T2 chip, Siri is always on and always listening to your requests. Also new to this Mac is a second generation of Touch ID, so it's faster, and yep, no Face ID yet. We have LED lights under each keys, which gives a really good even look, and under those keys is the updated structure, adding the silicone lining to stop dirt getting under. Speaking about keys, we have the 3rd generation butterfly keyboard. It's a lot quieter, but yet a lot nicer to use and type with. I much prefer this than the previous gen. Now this specific model of the 15-inch MacBook Pro retails for £3,329. By maxing this out, you can be paying as much as £6,209, or you can pick up a cheaper version for £2,349. It comes in 2 colors, the space gray and silver. Now if you have a 2017 model, then hold off. It's not worth upgrading and you won't notice much of a difference. Other than that, this is a great machine. Until next time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.